If you are someone who is trying to learn data skills to land a job or to grow your career or to just understand data better, you are in the right place. A few months or years ago, I was exactly where you are, confused by tools and overwhelmed by dashboards and unsure where to start. That's why I created this Power BI mini bootcamp for beginners to learn Power BI in step by step in more practical and focused way. In this video, we will discuss 3 questions. What is Power BI and why should you learn it, and how it is used in real life. Let's begin. What is Power BI? Power BI is a data visualization and business intelligence tools from Microsoft. That sounds some technical, right? But here is what it actually means. Imagine you have a bunch of data in Excel or in Google Sheets, and Power BI let you to turn that data into some interactive dashboards and clean visual reports without writing a code. That sounds some magic, right? You can also connect to different type of data sources like CSV, Excel, JSON, MySQL, Oracle, and etc. And then you clean it and analyze it and then show you in a way that is easy to understand. Think of it like Excel plus charts plus some magic. It's like Excel on steroids. Now you might ask, how should I learn it? Here are 3 solid reasons. Power BI is in demand. It is one of the top skills that companies are hiring for, especially in roles like data analyst, business analyst, marketing analyst, supply chain analyst, and even project managers. If you want more detail, go to ChatGPT and simply type job related to Power BI. You will get more. It is beginner friendly. You don't need to be a coder to learn Power BI. If you know basic Excel, it is very easy to learn Power BI, and I will help you through it. It makes you valuable. Every business has data, but only few people know how to turn data into real valuable insights. If you learn Power BI, you can stand out and show real business values. Whether you want to land a job or to grow your freelancing career or even make better decisions in your own business, Power BI is a great tool to learn. How big companies like Amazon or Starbucks use Power BI? For example, let's take Starbucks. A company like Starbucks have thousands of stores across the world, and they collect data every single day on sales, inventory, customer feedback, and staff performance, and etc. And now imagine trying to understand all this data using spreadsheet is impossible, right? So they use tools like Power BI to track sales across different locations and see which food or drinks sell best in different regions, and monitor customer satisfaction trends, and also check supply chain performance to avoid stockouts. All of this data shown in a clean and interactive dashboards so that regional managers or top executives can make fast and smart decisions. For example, like which stores to promote or what product to introduce or how to improve operations. And this is the real power of Power BI. It is also used by retail stores, hospitals, startups, and even by HR teams. So no matter what your industry is, if there is a data available, Power BI can make sense out of it. So to sum it up, Power BI is a powerful beginner-friendly tool that helps you to analyze and visualize data. It is in demand and practical, and learning Power BI can open you new career and job opportunities. And this is just a beginning. In the next video of the bootcamp, we will go step by step into Power BI interface and learn how to connect and clean data, and how to create DAX formulas, and how to create visualizations and dashboards. I am really excited about this. If you are also serious about learning Power BI, follow along with the series.